Job Scholar has distanced himself from the controversial Citizen Coalition for Change interim Secretary General Singzo Tshabangu. Zamina mashuka budanyo gomsara nasi noti bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzim ayavanyara vachiti. Scholar rejected Tshabangu's claims that he had agreed to a meeting on Thursday. Tshabangu claimed, I'm pleased that Job Scholar is regaining political awareness. He called me yesterday and requested a meeting for tomorrow when I go to Harare. We plan to form a strong opposition for the 2028 general election and ensure ZANU-PF down 4. In response, Scala said, me calling a regime enabler who is running a CIO project, you must have had some very bad dreams. I never intended to call you. Keep waiting. You might get a call from your imagination. For your own information, you are the most despised sellout of the century. You cannot undermine the people's struggle and escape the consequences. Panapa ndo zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa pane post sezva madisplay tikamboita panapa uchiona aiwa Singzo Tshabangu achitanda fonerwa naJob Scholar achiti panoita private meeting, but kuna Job Scholar zvara nhasi ari achirijekta achiti hakuna zvinhu zvakadaro nambobvira tamufonera. Zvobva zvanyatso kutipei picture kuti aiwa Singzo Tshabangu aiwa mukomana anoreva nhema, munhu aiwa atiri kuona kuti anofambisa maforces, atiri kuona ari kuprovhiwa panapa ende haatobotyi nezvaanoita, haatombonyari. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii tichiona aiwa Singzo Tshabangu achinzi dzvi nemanyepo ake nekunyepa kwake. Ine comment section menu tudze mafungiro enyu, musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.